look outside from the snug harbor tower cam. So nice to see the sunshine. And before things really start to warm up, it's going to be pretty cool again tonight. Chief Meteorologist George Lessons is here now with a first look at our forecast.
Juliet, it was nice to see that sunshine. Temperatures tonight, as skies clear, going to be getting down into the 30s. And for that reason, there is a frost advisory that was issued for most of West Michigan, from Muskegon and Montcalm counties southward all the way down into Indiana. This is not as critical as a freeze warning, as temperatures tonight will only fall into the mid and upper 30s. And that's why it's not quite as bad as a freeze warning. But nonetheless, you may just want to protect those plants that you have outside that may be susceptible to a frost. Right now, skies are becoming sunny. There's a lot of high clouds at the lake shore, but skies are clearing out even in Holland and over toward Ionia. That storm system that brought us all of our rain and cold weather now moved to the east coast, and we are going to see more sunshine next few days. Temperatures are now up to 57 here in Grand Rapids. We're going to be into the 60s during the day tomorrow. Around the region, we're as cool as 44 down in South Haven. That's because the wind is coming off the 40-degree water on Lake Michigan to as warm as 58 down in Battle Creek. We'll take a closer look at our warm-up this week coming up in just a few minutes. Beautiful day here in West Michigan as the sun has finally come on out, and I think we've gotten rid of most, if not all, of the rain for the time being. What's ahead for your Thursday? 13 weather ball is red, even milder weather ahead as we climb into the 60s, closer to our average high. Although we do have to get right through another cool night here in West Michigan. This view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We've got sunshine now, but it's going to become mostly cloudy for a little while tonight, and the winds are going to go calm, but I think a little bit of cloud cover is going to keep our temperatures in the upper 30s. Just a frost advisory, not the more impactful freeze warning. So temperatures everywhere should stay well above freezing. Climbing up into the low and mid 60s with partly to mostly cloudy skies during the day tomorrow. Much better than we have seen. Skies have cleared out now that low pressure has moved away from us. Got a few clouds that'll come down through the area here tomorrow. Very little, if any, impact here in the greater Grand Rapids area. We'll see more sunshine then during the day on Friday as well. Any showers will stay well to the north. We won't see our first impactful rain until Sunday night, and Sunday night into Monday is when we will see some showers, maybe even a rumble of thunder, but temperatures are definitely going to be warming up. We'll climb into the mid 60s here tomorrow, and with east-southeast winds we'll get into the mid and upper 60s during the day on Friday. Could be 70 along the lakeshore on Friday, and upper 60s to near 70 again during the day on Saturday. And it looks like our warm weather trend is going to continue. Long range outlook from the 9th through the 13th of the month. You can see it. Have high chances for warmer than average temperatures and an equal chance for more or less rainfall. We might get that one shot, as I said, on Sunday night and Monday. Along the lakeshore tonight, we're going to see upper 30s to low 40s. Freeze warning from Muskegon southward, mid 30s up north under partly to mostly cloudy skies. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll see overnight lows in the upper 30s. 13 on your side forecast. 75 on Monday with showers and maybe even a rumble of thunder. Dry weather after that Tuesday through the following Friday, as temperatures now are going to swing back to a little bit warmer again. Around 70 Tuesday, mid 70s by Friday, and there'll be some humidity as well. The following Saturday, just before Mother's Day, there could be some showers and thunderstorms, but a very warm and humid mid 70s. Here we go, Juliet. Looking more like late spring.
It looks just great. Thank you, George.
Blue skies have returned here to West Michigan. That's going to lead to clear skies in many areas overnight, and that will allow temperatures to get rather frosty. But the next several days, warmer weather ahead. That's why the 13 weather ball is red, and this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Nice evening for Max. Looks like they call him Maximus because he's the boss. Kathy, you can take him out for a walk with a green paw this evening as temperatures fall from the 50s into the 40s. In the upper 30s in the morning. Again, a green paw should be great. Winds will be fairly light. A lot of sunshine here tomorrow, even more than we saw this afternoon. 7.9 out of a 10-point scale to create that green electricity. Winds, however, going to be very light here tomorrow. So the sun will provide that green energy for recharging your electric vehicle. The clouds are departing after that low pressure system is now moved away. It is along the eastern seaboard. It's taken all of the clouds out of West Michigan, although I think there are going to be a few mid-level clouds come overhead later on tonight. That's from this weather system that's going to stay to our north during the day tomorrow and during the day on Friday as well. Here are some of those high clouds and mid-level clouds coming in, but a lot of sunshine here tomorrow afternoon once again. You can see those showers threatening the greater Grand Rapids area, but they're generally staying around Big Rapids and Ludington north over the next few days. So virtually dry weather all the way through Saturday. Saturday should be a gorgeous day. A few high clouds around again, and on Sunday, plenty of sunshine until late in the day. There could be a sprinkle in the afternoon, but most of the showers, significant showers, will come Sunday night into Monday. So finally, some dry days and some warmer days with light winds, unlike the last 4 or 5 days. Now, temperatures are going to warm up nicely, getting up into the mid-60s away from Lake Michigan because the winds are fairly light. Onshore breezes in the afternoon will keep you in the upper 50s to around 60. As the winds turn more to the east and south during the day on Friday, lakeshore areas are going to get a little bit warmer. So will we inland, up to around 68 or so, 64 in Ludington. And as that snow melts in the UP, it'll finally climb into the 40s to near 50. And on Saturday, some areas flirting with 70. There's a small 70 right in through here to the northwest of Grand Rapids. We'll stop right around 69 or so, and temperatures are going to stay warm all the way into next week as well. Long range outlook, all of the cool air retreating. The only spot there will be cool air is down in the Big Bend area of Texas. Most of the rest of the country going to see at or above average temperatures, and because the storm track will be far away from us, a high chance that we will have less precipitation from the 11th through the 17th. Forecast for tonight, it'll become partly to mostly cloudy, upper 30s north, around 40 Muskegon, Holland southward. We do have that frost advisory in effect from midnight to 9 a.m. from Muskegon southward. Up north, mid 30s here, and that frost advisory for Montcalm County, where you'll hit 37 in Greenville, upper 30s from Grand Rapids off to the south. Again, protect those plants if you've got them out and they're a little bit tender with those cool temperatures. 13 on your side forecast. Climbing into near 70 on Saturday, into the low 70s on Sunday. Slight chance of an afternoon sprinkle, but the best chance will come Sunday night into Monday when there might be a rumble of thunder. And look at that, humid weather. Temperatures will start out around 70 Tuesday with dry weather all the way through Friday. And it gets warm and humid the following weekend with, again, a Saturday thunderstorm possible. Nice to see the sun come out this afternoon. We are going to see a cool night ahead, but warmer days ahead. 13 weather ball is red, and that warm weather will last through the weekend ahead. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Highs today away from the lakeshore into the mid and upper 50s here in Grand Rapids. Warmest temperature with Battle Creek at 58. Cooler at the lakeshore with that onshore breeze. Still below our average high of 65. Came within 2 degrees of our forecast high of 56. We have 2 days in a row, which in that 3-degree target, which is what we strive for every day. Upper level winds finally going to be shifting away from the northwest as that low pressure system moves out into the North Atlantic. Winds turning around more to the west and southwest, and you know what that means. We're going to see a warm up all the way into the weekend and next week. Yesterday it looked like some of that cool air to the north was going to ooze down after this initial warm up. It looks like that is going to be more to the north and east now, so we're going to continue with our warm and somewhat dry weather pattern all the way through Thursday, May 11th, and maybe even beyond that as the cool air pools out west here. Locally, we've seen the clouds dissipate here this evening, but we're going to see some mid-level clouds come down from the north overnight, but very little threat of any rain over the next several days. There's that system coming down from the north, but it's going to be drying out. We will see partly to mostly cloudy skies here during the day tomorrow. Forecast then for tomorrow, partly to mostly cloudy. Temperatures warmer at the lakeshore because the winds will not be coming off the lake most of the day, around 60 to 63. Northern part of our viewing area, more mostly cloudy than partly. Low to mid 60s here. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll see a light north wind. It'll become light and variable in the afternoon. Highs will be up around 64 to 65. 13 on your side forecast. Gradually warming up into the low 70s Sunday, mid 70s on Monday. Best chance for showers and maybe even a thunderstorm will be Sunday night and Monday as it gets more humid briefly. And then around 70 Tuesday, climbing back into the mid 70s the following weekend with more humid conditions as well and a chance of a thunderstorm the following Saturday.